Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play Demons by Imagine Dragons on ukulele. This is the easy version of how to play this song. So there's only 4 chords, none of them are bar chords, and once you have the progression, you just repeat it over and over for the entire song. Really quick before we jump into the chords, I'm gonna highlight the ukulele that I'm playing today. It's a tenor uke from Ohana and it's a TK70R. I love the sound of this particular ukulele. It just sounds so bright and happy. It also has a slotted headstock, and this is my only ukulele that has that, so I think it's pretty cool. But regardless of whether you're playing a soprano, concert, or tenor today, we're all playing the same chords. If you want to play with the original track, you have to put a capo on the 3rd fret. However, I'm not going to use a capo for this song and still use the same chords. I just have to sing it in a little bit lower of a key. The first chord that you need is C major, a G chord, an A minor, and last we have an F chord. The progression for this song is actually C, G, A minor, F. So once you have that down, you just repeat it over and over for the verses, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. The first strumming pattern that I recommend for beginners is single down strum, so I'm gonna go through the progression with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would just repeat it over and over. Now I'm gonna give an example with the lyrics. Don't get thrown off because remember, I'm singing it a little bit differently because I don't have the capo on the 3rd fret. If you do have the capo on the 3rd fret, you're gonna match the same key as the original track. When the days are cold and the cards all fold in the saints, we see you're all made of gold. When your dreams all fell in the woods, we held all the worst of all in the blood runs down. You would then continue to do the same thing for the pre-chorus and the chorus, using those single down strums, the same beat count on each chord. Pretty simple. So if you can do what I just did, you can play the entire song already. Now we're gonna move into a little bit more complex strumming patterns, but I think if you practice, they're still pretty easy. The first one is gonna be down, 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 up. So it's 4 down strums with an up on the end. What I like to do with this pattern is accent the 3rd down strum. And what accent means is I just strum a little bit harder on that 3rd down. 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 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 1, 2, 3, 4 up. If you find the accent a little bit challenging to do, of course you can just do the straight down strums without it. And you'll also notice that I'm doing that pattern twice on each chord. So on the C, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now I'm gonna give an example of that strumming pattern with the pre-chorus and the chorus. I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we are still made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel the heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Down, really starting to see how simple this song is. You just repeat those 4 chords and you can use the same strumming pattern for the whole song, or you can mix and match, do single down strums for the verses, do the down, 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 down up for the chorus if you want. I do have one last strumming pattern that I'm gonna show you. This one is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And you're gonna do that pattern 1 time on each chord. So starting on the C, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. When you feel the heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Speed it up a little bit. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. I'll also give an example of that with the second verse, just so you can see how that also works with the verses. When the curtains close, the last of all, when the lights fade out, all the sinners crawl, so they dug your grave, and the masquerade will come calling out at the mess you made. Then also there's verse 3, which is actually kind of like the bridge, at least that's the way I always thought about it, so I'll go ahead and sing through that. They say it's what you make, I say it's up to fate. It's woven in my soul, I need to let you go. Your eyes, they shine so bright, I wanna save their light. I can't escape this now, unless you show me how. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. And that's all there is to this song, just those 4 easy chords, 1 progression, and you can choose whichever strumming pattern you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.